Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12Step. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to fix a problem in Epic's game launcher if it says request could not be completed. So let's get started. At first, let's try clearing the cache. Let's get into File Explorer and on the top here, search for local app data and enclose it with percentage and simply enter. Now get into Epic Games Launcher. So here it is. Now click on Saved and we can see this Wave Cache over here. Simply tap on this and we can see this option Go Cache. Simply right click here and we can see this delete icon. So let's tap on this and you can try restarting your PC as well. Now if your problem is not solved yet, let's get into epicgames.com and we can see this support option over here. Simply tap on this. In the bottom, we can see this option called Contact Us. So let's tap on this and we need to enter all of our details here and we need to write the reason for contacting. And in the description box, we need to write our problem, that is, we need to fix the problem that request cannot be completed. And once you are done with all of this, simply click on Submit an email request. And your email request will be submitted and you'll get a reply and your problem will finally be solved. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.